Welcome to CompanyIQ, brought to you by MyLogic. Today, we'll be learning how to navigate the SEC Disclosures Analytics. After you select your search criteria and click on Go, you'll be taken to the Results screen. The Analytics tab will be located on the left side of the menu once your search result appears. There are several categories, including auditor, itemization, SASB sector, among others. You can review your search criteria at the top right of the screen. For itemization, the Itemization tab will appear if you have included a keyword in your search. The tab allows you to view in which sections of the documents the keyword is part of. On the left side of the screen, you'll see in which form group the keywords appears, the item name, the number of documents for each group. You can sort these results by clicking on the header name or typing in the column search boxes. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a tree chart. You can also select which form group you'd like to see the data. Click on Preview Filings to apply the filter. You can also select another category to see the analytics, for example, SASB sector. Thank you for watching another of MyLogic's tutorial. To view more, please select one of the following videos.